Hello, what is your name?
Risa Social,
How old are you?
28 years old,
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
Do you have kids?
Yes.
How many kids you have?
We have 3 kids, all boys, at the age of 7, 5, and 3.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
Only 2 years.
Okay, do you have any work experience in other countries?
No,
So how long you been working with your current employer?
2 years.
Where's your employer living in?
Yan long.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
750 flat.
How many family member there?
Only 7.
How many children?
2.
How old are they?
The baby boy is 4 years old and 6 months newborn baby girl.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up every morning at around 5:30 to fix myself, and then I go to the kitchen to cook the chok for the breakfast
congee.
of my baby and for the 2 minor girls.
Okay,
Because every morning we eat a chok going to school at Ritas.
okay.
And then I prepared water, cleaning, and then around 8:30 we go to school a baby. And then I go back home and then to take care of my mom, and then my mom sometimes we go to the market, and sometimes me if my mom is not feeling well.
Okay.
And then after around 11:30 I go to school to take baby. Going home, and then I prepare the lunch, and then we start lunch around 1 o'clock, and then I start cleaning for around 3 p.m. But sometimes it's trouble I can clean, but we need to make it fast to do all my works every day, because I don't like my home to make it dirty because we have 2 kids, and I prepare dinner around 5, and then we start cooking around 6:30 and eat at around 7:30 o'clock, because my baby is very naughty, and we finish around 1 hour feeding him.
So about what time you go to sleep?
Yeah, I sleep around 11:30, but sometimes 12 o'clock
Okay.
in the midnight.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, thanks.